This is not a full review, but I'm going to share to you this Octard cover foundation. Yan. Hi guys! Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, meron na naman tayong review and we're going to review this. And I'm super happy. Bigay to ng one of the person na I super love. And grabe to guys. I'm super blessed kasi binigyan ako ni Miss Paige. And I'm going to share this to you. This is not a full review, but I'm going to share to you this Octard cover foundation. Yan. This is under the brand Mako. If you're using a tractor, same lang sila ng manufacturer. And I have the shade of S51. And itong Octard cover foundation, since it is made from Japan. Tingnan natin yung laman. Thank you, Miss Paige, for this. Mami ko yan ang aurahan. Okay. And ito yung niya. Ang cute ng packaging niya, guys. And I've heard na a little goes a long way nito. Super. And let me show to you kung ano yung ito siya. Yan. Konti lang yung gagamitin mo nito. They've said that this is, compared to na tractor, hindi ko naman talaga makakompare sila kasi wala akong na-tractor dito. Na-tractor is a dewy finish, but this one is a matte finish. I cannot attest as of this moment kasi first time ko nga itong gamit. And this one is not a full review kasi usually if full review tayo, we're going to put on the foundation for the whole day. But right now, I will be using this as a concealer, not a foundation. Initial review lang to guys. Meron tong apat na shade which is S31, S41, S51, and S52. So, I got the shade of S51. And ito try na natin siya. Sabi ni Miss Paige na ano to siya guys, a little goes along the way, and she said I'm going to love it and it's okay to use it as concealer. So today gagamitin natin siya as concealer and I will be giving you my initial review, and if you want a full review, I will be very happy to make it for you as a foundation naman. Right now, concealer lang muna. Since as you can see, meron akong redness dito and gusto ko lang ma-lighten up kasi dito lang naman tayo sa bahay, wala tayong errands today, and nasa quarantine tayo, so dito lang tayo sa bahay, hindi tayo magsasayang ng full coverage. At ang ganda nito na foundation. Darkness over here, redness, and mga dark spots. So guys, nag-moisturizer ako, just a disclaimer, nag-moisturizer ako, hindi ako nag-primer, but nag-sunscreen ako. Kuha lang tayo ng konting amount, gamit ako ng ng hands ko. Konti lang, and lagay natin dito. Dito lang naman yung kailangan talaga natin. One dot, and blend natin. Bakit ko nilagyan muna ng SPF? Kasi yung SPF ko, nag-glide talaga siya, and super ganda niya underneath ng any application sa face mo. Kasi wala din siyang white cast. Hala, nalagyan ko na yung kabila. Pero, ito hindi pa na-blend. Tingnan nyo. Instant brightening sa under eye, which I super love. Miss Paige, thank you for this. And blend din natin dito. Fresh ang dating indeed. Isang lang yun Hala. Judge kayo Judger. Maraming judger kasi. Hala. Uy, I super love it. Thank you for this, Miss Paige. Instant! Galing! Lagyan natin konti ang ating mga redness dito sa gilid at gilid. Konti lang kasi napapansin ko kahit super konti niya, ang ganda ng coverage niya, besh. Hala, oh my God. I love it. If ayaw nyo mag-primer, then it's okay. Gamit lang kayo ng hindi nag-white cast na Then okay na ako. Ganyan na. Addict na to ng Ito, mga dark spots to ha. Oh. Ang ginawa ko lang guys is maganda rin siya kasi super swak na swak sa aking skin tone. Hala, tingnan natin. Ito pa, merong mga dark dito. Hala, when it comes sa coverage, ang ganda ng coverage niya, in fairness ha. Wow, as you can see, naglighten talaga yung face ko and I super love this. Ang ganda gamitin ito if you want to freshen up, especially if nangangarag yung dito nyo, super dark, this one would be a very, very, very good. This one is super nice if super haggard kayo or walang tulog. This will conceal. For me, parang it will be a good foundation for brides. Ang ganda nito, guys. Parang ito na yung magiging daily, maa-add sa daily routine ko sa mga under eye ko if I'm going to do some freshen up lang na look. And as you can see, nilagyan ko lang dito yung mga blemishes ko and super ganda ng coverage niya. I bet this is a medium to full coverage foundation. Hindi ko pa nga matatry yung full coverage and when it will last to my oily skin, but I'm going to do a full review. Yun talagang from morning until nighttime na i-review natin. So this is just a short review and I'll be back kasi lalagyan ko muna to ng powder para naman ma-set natin to avoid greasing. But to make sure, para naman whole day tayong fresh, we're going to set it with a little bit of powder. Hindi tayo mag-full coverage today. Ibang video na naman yun. Kasi dito lang naman tayo sa bahay. Magti-TikTok. Guys, follow nyo naman ako sa TikTok. Please, it's Cykaniki. And I'm going to do my brows and I'll be back. This will be my, daily concealer and my foundation na rin. Kaloka. Ang ganda niya, guys. Thank you, Miss Paige, for introducing this Octard Cover Foundation. Actually, first time ko talaga siyang nagamit and I'm super eager to try the full coverage of this as application. Full coverage application and super eager ako na matry na whole day kasi nga if meron tayong foundation i-review natin mostly whole day talaga siya. So today, hindi muna ako kasi meron akong i-unbox and ito lang muna fresh. So far ang ganda niya, guys. 10 out of 10 when it comes to freshen up your face. Hindi ko pa alam if kakasaba siya sa aking oily face, if whole day ko siyang i-apply or 12 hours or 18 hours ba na ilagay sa ating face. Comment down below if gusto niyo ng full coverage na foundation review of this. But so far, I'm loving it. Nako-conceal niya yung mga dark spots ko, mga dark eyes, and ganun. Ang ganda niya. Of course, moisturizer kasi this is a matte finish foundation. If you have oily skin, and this one would be your best friend. Even kahit hindi oily or dry, lagyan nyo lang ng moisturizer and ganda na siya. So, thank you so much, guys, and hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. See you soon. Saranghem. God bless.